scheduled for 10 rounds for the vacant WBO International Junior Lightweight title. Our judges at ringside, Steve Weisfeld, Chris Wilson, and Pat Russell. And the man in charge on the sound of the middle, Mr.
From Salata, San Isidro, Davao del Norte, Philippines, Charlie, King's Warrior, Suarez.
De la Ciudad de México, demos la bienvenida a EMANUEL Vaquero Navarrete.
After 6 years as a professional boxer with an undefeated record of 18 wins and 10 knockouts, Filipino boxer alias King's Warrior, former Olympian Charly Suarez, has finally gotten his chance to fight for the WBO World Super Featherweight Championship in America. However, he won't be facing just anyone, as his opponent is a 3-division world champion from a country known for its tough and resilient fighters. EMANUEL Vaquero Navarrete from Mexico. Navarrete is known for his relentless pressure and non-stop punching, and at 30 years old, he's in his prime. Meanwhile, Suarez is already 36 years old. The fight will take place in America, and with just hours to go before the bell rings, many are rooting for Suarez to pull off an upset and claim the coveted title. Despite being considered the underdog due to his age compared to Navarrete, many still believe Suarez can rise to the challenge. What do you think? Can Suarez score a win against the formidable Navarrete? Share your opinion and we'll read it. Before the big fight, let's watch some knockout highlights from their boxing careers together.
Combination without that hook to the body. And then there it is.
Or so, he's got long arms. Ooh, hard.
Again with the bite.
Much shorter as well. Oh, big overhand right. But since then, yes, it's been a little dry on this side of the world.
Right hook coming back to counter.
It's a left hook. That's
right hand over the top that was catching Cassian
oh
earlier.
my God, he is down again.
Suarez knocks out Jorge Castellet.
It is over. It is over.
Aray, aray. Aray, aray.
How quickly things change.
13 trận toàn thắng, 1m85 như là vào năm 2019 thì Suarez đã từng có màn so tài với Nguyễn Văn Hải.
Cú thẳng tay phải khá hay của Suarez.
10 giây cuối cùng và thế trận đang nghiêng về Charly Suarez.
22-pounder with a 72-inch reach. Can you imagine what's going to happen? How dangerous he'll
Don't want to think about that part as he switches southpaw, and now he's setting up that left hook.
of the Vaca right now. I'm throwing in the towel to my young fighter. He's young. He don't need to be taking this type of punishment right now. From Navarrete.
Pick your poison time.
Listen, it's unnecessary punishment right now. And the reason why the ref is not stopping in and stepping the action is because the Vaca is fighting. Good straight hand. Paurong si Rosas. And another combination kang Suarez. Oh, and he's down. Aray, aray. Aray, aray. Alon. That's it. And the body shot.
Nice. There you go. That one.
When you make them, can you recover? And that's what we're trying to see if Villa can recover from that uppercut.
These two are now fighting for here tonight. Going to take a short break. Come back to Vegas in a moment.
Make him think twice about missing shots and falling off. There it is.
There it is.
Impa pala! Oy! Oh! Oh! Man is down! He just lied on the floor! And Charly Suarez finishing him!
The fight with 8 seconds to go.
Jesus, natama ka agad. Galing. Jesus!
Navarrete.
He needs to finish to the body. Headshots are good, but he needs to finish downstairs. Put to the body, just like that.
Punching upstairs, uppercut, body shot came in with a left hand, runs to him to close the gap. Can he close the show here in style? Round number 11, trying to defend his title, won the Mexican world champion.
And the referee is very close to the...
Can Navarrete finish things off here in round number 11? Russell Morris giving it a look, there it is, TKO victory.
Good job, and that establishes a of punches from another fighter from Mexico. Panchito Horta changing, he's got him up against the corner, and this is where EMANUEL, and you can hear the crowd. Miguel Gonzalez, who wasn't throwing punches and was taking punishment, and here... Trying to go in. Good left hook again, nagrogi. Naku, Ena, he's trying to finish it, holding on to his dear life, and Canada. Napaluhod. Urdaneta! Ayan na si Charlie. Tulakas, that's the term that I'm looking for. Masterclass show by Charly Suarez. Boom, boom, boom. Charlie parang ano eh. Ano? Oh, mayaw. Mayaw.
He felt that, I think. I think it went down to his boots. And Navarrete knows it. Clearly for the Mexican. Great shot! He almost goes! Is he going to... He's going to throw the dice. He's bravely fighting on his gum shield, trying to fire back. But now, Navarrete is looking to finish this one, and it's all up.
Matamaan. Galing ng, ano? Charlie just not staying, yun, nakalisa doon si Carlo.
That left uppercut.
Now chases him down. Dogman went straight back, and he did. He damaged his hand. Navarrete trying to shake off his right hand after landing a hard punch and a knockdown. That's it. Towel is thrown in. You said he's...
And 169 landed, so unimpressive.